guys, welcome back. This is Lech. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time we may see the new update. And today we are looking at the algebra under subtopic simplify, which was extracted from one of the exams paper. So let's start. If you are given what they mean when they say simplify, they mean that you have to make it simple. So let's start with the example 1. Example 1, if you have simplify b minus a over b squared minus a squared. So here what they mean that you have to expand this, what is down, for you to cancel the top one. So it will be b minus a. This is the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares, it is going to be b minus a in the bracket and also b plus c a in the bracket. One thing you should consider when expanding this expression is different from this expression when you're given b minus a in the bracket squared. This expression and this expression is too different, because this one it involves the same sign in the brackets, then this one different sign in the brackets. So let's simplify now. You can see that b minus a is common even down, so you have to cancel here and here. What is remaining on top? It is 1. So the answer it will be 1 over b plus a. That's the final answer. So let's try to work out with the example 2. If you are given also simplify, you are given 12. This is example 2. When you are given 12, dn 3 over 15 cd divided by 9c3n over 10c squared d squared. The moment you see this division here, just know that you have to extend this. This one will go on top and this one will go on down, and you change the sign, it will be multiplication. So it will be 12d power 3 over 15 cd times this one will interchange. The numerator will become denominator, and the denominator will become the numerator. Then it will be 10c power 2 d squared over 9c3n. Then here what you have to do, you have to look for the variables which is common everywhere. As you can see here, you have to see the variable which is common and the factors. So here it is 3. 3 into 9 it is 3. 3 into 12 it is 4. Then n into n 1. N into n power 3 will remain with the n power 2. Then here 5 into 15, which is 3. 5 into 10, which is 2. Then c into c 1. c into c power 2 it will remain with this only 1c. Then also d here 1, d here will remain with d. So it will be, we're going to multiply 4 it will be 4n squared over 3 times 1 times 1, it will be 3 times 2 times c squared d, or c, just c, because here there was a c squared. We remain with the 2c d over 3 times the 3 times the c power 3, it will be 3 power c3. We are still moving. Here you can see that these are common. So what you have, let's multiply 4 times the 2cd, it will be 8 n squared cd over 3 times the 3, it will be 9c cubed, which is equals to, you can see here this c and here this c. So let's simplify it. It will be 8n squared, then when you cancel 1c, c into c power 3, it will be c2, then c here to disappear, we remain with it d over 9c squared. That's the final answer.